Hey, Mr. Stan 913 here. We are in Point Pleasant, New Jersey, and we took a drive today up to Point Pleasant, and we're going to walk Jenkinson Boardwalk, family fun place. So this is Point Pleasant, New Jersey, a beach town in New Jersey, North New Jersey, and we're going to take a walk today onto the boardwalk. It's a nice cool day. It's actually 64 degrees here, and we are June 1st, 64 degrees. Unbelievable. But again, going to check out Jenkinson Boardwalk Family Fun Place. We're going to see some of the shops up here and just see what it's like. Never been here before. We're going to check it out. Check that out up there. You could do this here. You could get on the ropes, go all around. That's pretty cool. So this is the beach right here. You got to actually pay to get on the beach. It's wow. $14 weekdays. What? 15s on the holidays. So this is pretty cute though. They have nice shops here. I'm probably going to go in and check out some of their gear. You got games all along here. And oh my God, they got this really cool amusement park area. Check this out. Wow, look how cute. There's a train here. You gotta check this out. Oh, here comes the train. The train's coming in right here. Let's go over here. There's the train. Wow, check it out. And this is the train. It's coming in right here. I like to go on that. Lemonade stand there. Check that out. It's a big lemon. That's pretty cool. Wow. So we're going to continue to walk down here, see how far the boardwalk is. A lot of little kids here today. I don't know how far this goes, but this is really nice little small boardwalk. Compared to where we go down to Wildwood, you see that boardwalk, which we'll probably go down there again this year. But we wanted to walk today down the Jersey Shore just to get out because it's been rainy, and so we're just enjoying ourselves today walking through Point Pleasant, New Jersey. So what do you think of this?
I think this is a cuter boardwalk than the other one.
Seaside Heights?
Yeah.
I like Seaside Heights though. Seaside Heights has a lot of restaurants on their boardwalk. This is like more like family, this up here. And there's mini golf here coming up. We have a land breeze today. And we're actually in, I'm showing myself, so. I'm actually in short sleeve shirt, and I actually have pants on today because it is a little cool. Got a middle mini golf here. We got some homes here coming up. This looks like it's more like residential right here. It might end up here, I don't know. Let's check it out. This is the end of the boardwalk right here. So we're gonna walk back down. But I asked if we could go up. You have to pay for up here. You have to pay for this beach. Compared to Wildwood where it's free. But this beach you have to pay for. And we do have a land breeze today. But we're gonna walk that way. These are all residential right here. Yeah, and there's no ways. Well, the sand here up in northern Jersey, I have to admit, is not good. You see how it just drops off. And you see the flags here. These are areas where you can't swim. So up here in northern Jersey, it's really hard to swim in the ocean compared down to Wildwood when you see everybody in the ocean in Wildwood. Just see how it just drops off. Look at that. Plus you have, yeah, and it's very deep here, yeah.
The waves crash.
Yep.
Actually on the edge of the.
Yep. So we're just walking on the pier, just to look at the rides. Cute little place for kids. It's a lot of little kiddie rides. Pretty cool. They got like boats here. They have this here. They got boats here. You got a dropping thing here and the bumper cars. A lot of kids rides here. And this is probably just their one pier. I don't think there's another pier that has other rides. What I think is coolest here is the train ride. Here comes the train. I got to see the train again. That was a train going by. And they got a pirate ship ride here. Look at this. This is cute. Yeah, a lot of kiddie rides here. Here it gets actually wider here. We're going to walk down further, see what it's like. But this is pretty cute. I like this. Yeah, it's a big bar in there. Their aquarium right here. So we walked all the way from one end to the other. We're going to walk all the way down this way. We're going to check out how far this goes. But it looks like their beach is a little wider down here as you get down further. This is a really cool place. They got a lot of nice places to eat. The shops are really nice. They got a lot of nice merch. And I couldn't see them, but right at the exit of the aquarium, there were a bunch of penguins. I wish I could get a shot of them, but yeah, really cool place. Some beach volleyball tournament going on right here. We're coming out the inlet right now. This is pretty cool. Now, what town's that over there? Yeah. There's all houses along here. Wow, look how pretty that is. They're coming in. See the boats coming in here? We got a plane flying over too. So on the other side there is Manasquan. Very close to Point Pleasant. So here's Point Pleasant, and you got Manasquan right here. walking back now. We're gonna get a slice of pizza, and then we're going to, I don't know, we'll figure it out. But these beaches are a little bit wider, but still, it's like you can't really swim here in these northern beaches. It's really deep. We're back from that. We're gonna walk in here. We're gonna get inside the Jenkins Pavilion. We're gonna get some pizza, and we're gonna look around. Maybe we're gonna get some sweets. I know Dorothy wants an ice cream, but we're gonna check out and get a slice of pizza. So, just had our pizza. Dorothy's got her ice cream here. Can't show it. Well, anyway, I can show it. She's got her ice cream. We're just walking now. Just check out more we can do here. That's going to do it for today. This is Jenkins Boardwalk, Point Pleasant, New Jersey. I highly recommend this. We're going to come back here because there's a couple restaurants on the boardwalk down a ways that we're going to probably try out. Maybe come back here. Don't know when, but little cute place with the rides and everything for kids. So if this is your first time watching, welcome. Please don't forget to subscribe. Like to receive future notifications, hit the bell. Like this video, give it a thumbs up. Mr. Stan 913, Point Pleasant, New Jersey, Jenkins Boardwalk. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.